Hi there, hi parents, hi kids. Hey, it's me, Peter. Alright, and are you ready? It's story time now. So, today we are going to listen to the story Biscuit Goes Camping. Now please listen. By Alisa Capusili, pictures by Pat Stories. Here we go. Right. Ooh, did you see that? This is a beautiful night. This is a nice day to go camping. Right. This way, Biscuit. It's time to go camping. We have our tent. We have our flashlight and blankets too. Oh, Biscuit's trying to eat the snacks. Silly puppy, no talking. It's time to go camping. Wait, Biscuit, what have you found? Frog. Oh, you found a frog, Biscuit. Funny puppy, it's only the wind, Biscuit. There are so many new signs and sounds when you go camping. Oh, Biscuit, what have you found now? Blink, blink. Ah, it's a firefly, Biscuit. The firefly says good night. And it's time for us to say goodnight too, Biscuit. Curl up, Biscuit. Crack, crack, boom, boom. Did you see that? The lightning, and you could hear the thunder, right? Oh no, here comes the rain. How can we go camping now? Biscuit, wait for me. Oh, smart puppy, you found a perfect place to go camping. Blink, blink. There's still a firefly in the blanket. Good night, Biscuit. The end. Alright, so that is the end of the story today. Now it's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye. I'll see you later.